Welcome back, guys. We got another unboxing for you, and this one is one that I'm really stoked about. That's the PS5.
Yeah.
We have been waiting for this for how long now?
Oh, it's been years.
Yeah, it was years in the making. I'm so stoked. I literally went and got it at GameStop like right when they opened.
It's true.
Dude, it was like a line of people.
He had to wait. He had to wait because
Yeah.
he missed that first wave, but he was able to get into that second wave. And
Well, yeah, I missed that pre-order window like most people did. And for the second pre-order window, I actually went to GameStop and I stood in front of GameStop at midnight. They open at 12 the next day. So I was standing in front of the store just to get the pre-order for 12 hours.
It's kind of like those contests where they say who can keep their hand on the
Yeah,
box
it was literally the same thing. And the thing is, they only had 4.
Yeah.
So when I made it at midnight, I made number 3.
Oof.
Dude, I mean, I barely made it.
You're one away.
But anyways, that's enough chat. We're gonna go right into the unboxing. But before we do that, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you like the content. We're gonna keep dropping more videos. I should be getting my Pulse 3D audio headset soon, so I should be able to make a video unboxing with that one too.
Very excited.
Super stoked for those, but wait for those. All right, you know we can't have an unboxing without that knife.
Oh yeah, legit.
So we're gonna open
He
it.
ordered this specially from Japan. It was a nice knife.
Oh, this is weird the way it opens. Hold on, let me move some of this stuff
Oh
out.
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So just for reference, this is a big box.
Oh, this thing is massive and it's so heavy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, Hector hits the gym about 4 times a week, so for him it should have been no problem,
Yeah, right.
but it definitely wasn't. Here for reference, I want to see that box. I want to see that skin right there.
Okay.
Like, look at this joker.
I mean, this is massive. This is a really big
Oh man.
box. It's probably gonna be a very big console. Maybe open here.
Yeah. Oh, there's even instructions on how to get it out.
Duh.
Just in case
All right.
you know. Maybe this is your first console. Did you?
Oh my God! What did I do?
You
Oh my God!
The accessories. This is
Oh my
also
God.
Hector's first unboxing. Thank you for joining us.
Oh my God! The controller is out.
Smoothest transition ever.
My God! How would I know that was gonna happen?
All right, so we're gonna show you the accessory box first because that's what this looks like.
So on here, you got that DualSense controller.
Got the USB-C in there. What part are you most excited about?
I don't know. I kind of want to try that haptic feedback. What
I
do you
like
think?
the buttons. Look at this.
It feels comfortable though.
Ooh, yeah. So I'm curious to see how that's adaptive because it feels like the same tension, but I guess it could read the different stages just
I
for a
guess.
close up there. I don't know if this is gonna focus, but yeah, that's pretty cool.
I actually like to have a regular AC thing. I hate when consoles do like proprietary.
Yeah.
So this is really cool because like, I give you an example. Like my Nintendo 64, I lost that AC adapter. Can't even use it.
Yeah.
And trying to find one of those now. You know
Good
what I
luck.
mean?
Good
so
luck.
50 years from now, if I want to boot up my PS5, I should be able to just buy one of these for like $5 and
Well,
I'm good
50
to
years
go.
from now, we have emulators. Something to that.
Right? So you got some instructions in here. I'm not gonna read these.
I'm gonna read those.
HDMI. Now this is interesting because this is actually a HDMI 2.1.
Is it okay? That's what I'm gonna look
Yeah. So that way you can play games at 4K 120
for.
hertz.
Nice.
So, this is the base. The console comes with the base, and this is made that you can either do it horizontally or vertically.
Okay.
But you have to use the base because otherwise the console will overheat. So, you know, you want to make sure it's not touching the floor, you know, or whatever you end up with it.
What is this?
It has to put it horizontally. So when you put it horizontally, you have to like screw it in.
We're talking about this guy right here. There's a little screw in there. That's kind of neat.
All right, so we got that taken care of. Let's go right to the console. That's
The bread and the butter.
Oh yeah,
The main
man.
attraction.
All right,
you
let's
pull
see.
that up. All right.
Okay, man, that thing's massive.
You got it.
Man, it's heavy.
Looks like we're giving birth to a console.
Okay.
This is the first time I'm seeing it like
Oh my
up
God.
and close. That is huge.
I mean, dude, are you seeing this?
If you put 4 of them together, it's as tall as
This
you
is
are.
ridiculous. Like,
It's huge. Hold on.
hold on to that. It's heavy. Be careful.
Do you have like another console nearby for reference?
I don't.
Oh,
I
man.
saw my Xbox. Remember?
Oh, you did. So check it out, guys.
This is
it.
insane. Like, for the record, I think the design is terrible. I get that there's people out there that love the design. I'm not
Yeah.
hating on those people. Everybody's different, right? To each his own. I think this is a terrible design.
Alright, I got it.
But I don't really care because at the end of the day, it's all about the content. And the fact that I'll be able to play these right here is the reason I picked it up.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
get into those in just a bit. Ignore the smudges. I've been playing it. This is my Switch. So if you stand your Switch up next to it,
Oh my god.
not even here. Hold that up real quick. Just so it's like hold it up. There we
Dude,
go.
that
So
was
just for reference, I mean that's
This
it's
thing
pretty
is
big.
massive.
It's pretty big.
My god.
All right. So console set aside. What else have we got here? We got some other goodies.
Oh yeah, so I picked up Godfall and Demon Souls. So I'm pretty excited
Go
to play
ahead and
these.
slice those open.
Interesting enough about Godfall. So Godfall is actually made by a independent studio. So it's not a big studio. This is literally the first PS5 game to be built from the ground up to PS5. They mentioned that it's only a temporary exclusive. It's only going to be exclusive to PS5 for 6 months.
Okay.
So I'm sure that we'll see that on the Xbox soon enough.
Okay.
Demon Souls.
Boom.
Can't wait to play this.
Very minimalistic. You know, they gave Nintendo slack for not having any paperwork. This doesn't have any
We got
paperwork.
Godfall.
Which one are you gonna play first?
Demon Souls.
Okay, fair enough.
So I'm very excited to
There we
play
go.
this, but this is more like you grind with people.
Yeah.
You know? So Demon Souls is more like you play by
By
yourself.
yourself.
And you can play multiplayer, but it's more like you have to invite somebody to help you like fight a boss or something like that.
That's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair.
But
We got
anyway.
one more.
Oh!
One last one. Just picked this up as well. We braved a monsoon. If I see my little wet, it's because there's a freaking monsoon
We
outside.
got friggin'. My God, we almost drowned.
Yeah, we could have. We did this just for you guys, by the way.
Because we care so much.
We care. Here at aNerdHeard, we care.
You're silly.
What was that South Park episode of We Care? Do you remember that? You remember that?
Yes. I love South Park.
Oh man.
I mean, it's not much different than the other thing. It's the exact same.
Whoa, look at this. So this is OEM. I don't know if that's the proper word. This is what came with the console. This is what comes.
You can see how different
You
they
can see
are.
how different they are, guys. I'll give you up close here. Check that out.
Oh my God.
I think it seems like the one that came with the console might be a little quieter. We'll have to test that, obviously. Here, hold this. NKBHD put out that. Yeah, these are all tiny X's and O's.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's
That's pretty
coconuts.
cool. That's pretty cool.
And my favorite thing, USB-C.
Oh, yeah.
If we could make everything in the world USB-C, the world would be a happier place.
I agree with that.
But anyways, this was just a quick unboxing for y'all. Next time we'll be taking this PlayStation completely apart so you guys can see the insides. So stay tuned for that. Just kidding, Hector won't let me. And this has been aNerdHeard. I'm Ben. This is Hector. I didn't know if he was going to say anything. And you guys have been awesome. Stay tuned. Be sure to click like and subscribe if you want more content like this. As we got a lot coming out. this
Yeah,
week.
yeah.
It's was it Techtember? November? Yeah,
I don't know.
November? Something like that.
There's a lot of
Anyways,
stuff.
a lot of tech coming out, so be sure to stay tuned for that. Anyways, you guys have been awesome. Stay cool.